You know what? Now it's time for my favorite section. We're just moving towards Ask TG and guys, यहाँ पे I give the answers to all your questions जो भी आपने पूछे होते हैं. Let's see the kind of questions we have this week.
नमस्ते टीजी, मैं एक ऑनलाइन बिजनेस शुरू करना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसे शुरू करूँ. आप कोई टिप्स दे सकते हैं क्या?
Very interesting. First of all, congratulations that you are trying to start some business online. अब अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है that what kind of business you should start or how you should start, the best part is you get all the information online. Just search about it and आपको आपके फील्ड की या जिस भी स्ट्रीम में you're trying to do something, you'll get all the information very easily because we're talking about online stuff. So online आप सर्च कर सकते हैं. Online there are multiple businesses. For example, you might be a service provider. आप जो है वो ड्रॉप शिपिंग कर सकते हैं. बहुत सारे आइडियाज हैं. You could be a content creator. तो आप जिस भी फील्ड में जाना चाहते हैं, just search about it and you'll get everything from A to Z. From my side, all the best.
Hi Technical Guruji. I am using an iPhone 15 and lately I have noticed that my camera switches on randomly. No matter what application I am using, it randomly switches to the camera app. Can you please tell me why this is happening and what can I do to fix it?
Must be a software issue ऐसा मुझे लगता है. Maybe हो सकता है you are using some beta software of the latest iOS 18. Even if you're not using that, the first thing that I would recommend you is to just do a reset of your device. That should really come in handy. अगर उससे भी solve आपकी problem नहीं होती है, so as you said that you are using this iPhone 15, it's definitely under warranty because अभी उसको launch हुए 1 साल नहीं हुआ है. So I would recommend going to the service center and these guys might fix, if there's something that you can't do it on your end. Ideally, resetting might help. If not, just go to service center. These guys would definitely help you.
Hi TG, मेरा Insta360 XT कैमरा शूट करते करते अपने आप बंद हो जाता है. It also shows me that the video is recording at times, but they don't show up in my memory card. Do I need to reset the device?
There might be multiple issues. Overheating could be one thing. तो एक बार आप check कर लो that what is the kind of environment that you are using that camera in. Second thing, I would say resetting might help again because usually in gadgets, resetting is that one thing जो हमें करनी ही चाहिए as a part of troubleshooting. इसके अलावा एक और चीज, just look at the memory card. Sometimes the memory card might not be compatible with your camera. हो सकता है the card is too slow and the camera is not able to write that data onto your card at that pace. तो हो सकता है आपका कार्ड पुराना हो, आपको उसको चेंज करना हो. यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई क्लीनिंग द कॉन्टैक्ट्स, द मेटालिक कॉन्टैक्ट्स ऑफ योर मेमोरी कार्ड. आप ये सारे जब स्टेप्स करेंगे, आई होप यू विल बी एबल टू रिकॉर्ड ऑल दो 60 वीडियोस विद योर Insta360 X3.
मैं यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाना चाहती हूँ पर मेरे से स्क्रिप्ट याद नहीं होती. क्या ऐसा कोई ऐप है जिससे हम स्क्रीन पे स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते पढ़ते वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर सकें?
अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऐसी तो कोई ऐप नहीं है जहाँ पे आप अपना कैमरा भी साथ में यूज़ करें और सामने स्क्रिप्ट भी पढ़ पाएं. मतलब वुड बी अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थिंग, बट व्हाट यू कैन गेट is a teleprompter. There are many options available. Some of them are really affordable. It's just like a mirror setup जिसके पीछे आप अपना फोन या कैमरा लगाते हैं and सामने you have another phone जिस पे आप स्क्रिप्ट को लोड करते हैं and then you can see the reflection of the script in the mirror. It's very easy. You might think कि मैं अभी ये वीडियो जब रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ I am using a what do you say, teleprompter, but no I don't because my style is very much candid. But then yes, in many of these TV shows जो आप देखते हैं, many of them they use these teleprompters and they are very useful at times. तो आप वो ले सकते हैं. Not that expensive, it's just a basic setup. You just have your another device, could be a tablet, could be a phone, उसमें आप लोड कीजिए and just read it through. Very easy.